Hey everyone, welcome back to Premium Developer and Success. And today we're diving into an essential topic for developers: how to choose the right programming language for your project. With so many options out there, Python, Java, JavaScript, C Sharp, and more, how do you decide which one to use? So let's break it down and find out what factors you are to consider. So before we dive into specific languages, it's crucial to understand your project requirements. Ask yourself these questions. What kind of application am I building? Web, mobile, desktop, data analysis. The next question is, what are the performance and scalability needs? The other question is, are there specific libraries and frameworks you need? Then what's your team expertise? So answering these questions will guide you in selecting a language that aligns with your project's goals and constraints. Let's take a look at some popular programming languages and their strengths. So Python, known for its simplicity and readability, Python is fantastic for data science and machine learning, web development, and scripting. Its rich ecosystem of libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow makes it a go-to for rapid development. Now, Java is a stalwart in the enterprise world, known for its performance and cross-platform capabilities. It's widely used in large systems, backend services, and Android app development, like I use it myself. So the next one is JavaScript. JavaScript, essential for web development. JavaScript is used for both front-end and back-end web development thanks to Node.js. It's crucial for creating enterprise web applications and has a vast ecosystem of frameworks like React and Angular. The next one is C Sharp. C Sharp, a versatile language developed by Microsoft. C Sharp is used for developing Windows applications, game development with Unity, and enterprise solutions with .NET. So each language has its niche and advantages. So the right choice often depends on your specific use case. Now let's talk performance and scalability. Performance and scalability are key considerations. Here's how different languages stack up. Python. While Python is known for its ease of use, is generally slower than compiled languages like Java, because Python is an interpreted programming language. It's not a compiled programming language like Java, because if you want to run Python, you have to download something called the Python interpreter. So Python, known for its ease of use, is generally slower than compiled languages like Java. Is best for projects where development speed is more critical than raw performance. However, libraries like Cython can help with performance bottlenecks. Java offers robust performance and scalability, making it ideal for large-scale applications and systems that require high throughput and low latency. Its JVM, Java Virtual Machine, optimizes code execution efficiently. Now, JavaScript's performance is often tied to the runtime environment. Node.js provides good performance for IO-bound tasks, but may not be the best choice for CPU-intensive operations. Now, C Sharp performs well in various scenarios, particularly with the .NET ecosystem. Its performance is competitive with Java, especially for Windows applications. So if you want to build Windows applications, either use Java or C Sharp. Personally, I have experience with Java. I don't have any experience with C Sharp because I've not done any C Sharp programming like my whole life. So let's talk ecosystems and libraries. Now, the ecosystems and libraries and framework can greatly influence your choice. Python boasts an intensive collection of libraries for data analysis, pandas for web development, Django flags for scientific computing. Its vibrant community continuously adds new tools and resources for Python development. And Java offers mature frameworks like Spring and Hibernate for applications, along with tools for Android development. I use Java for Android development, but I'm trying to transition to Kotlin and Java Compose because that's when I'm going to get more jobs. So I'm actually going to leave Java behind for Android development. So along with tools for Android development and large-scale backend systems, that's for Java, and JavaScript has a dynamic ecosystem with frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js for front-end development and Express.js for back-end services. Then C#, the .NET ecosystem, provides useful, powerful libraries and frameworks for web applications. For example, ASP.NET for web applications, game development has Unity, and desktop applications has the MIUI or MIUI. I don't know how to pronounce that actually. So just type out the correct way to pronounce it. It's in MIUI or MIUI for the C#. Yeah, so like I said, I've not used any C# before in like my entire existence. So now let's talk team expertise and learning curve. Now, another important factor to note is your team's expertise. Choosing a language that your team is already familiar with can save time and reduce the learning curve. Python, generally easy to learn and great for beginners due to its readable syntax, is ideal if your team is new to programming or data science. So if your team is quite new to some areas of programming, they can decide to use Python and Python technologies for building the app. Now Java, which has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners, but offers in-depth understanding of object-oriented programming and enterprise solutions. Me personally, I started programming with Java. That's something personal to me because I kind of find the things which are harder for most people easier for me. Yeah, so it's a thing. So I started with Java. It has a steeper learning curve. I actually struggled, but I got the hang of it. Now, JavaScript, essential for web development, but can still be challenging due to its asynchronous nature and dynamic typing. C# has a straightforward syntax for those familiar with object-oriented programming and is a good choice for teams working within the Microsoft ecosystem. So if your team is working with Microsoft, like using Microsoft products, I think C# will be a best language to build and develop your company softwares. So now let's talk future trends and community support. Consider future trends and community support as well when you are picking a language to develop, to build your projects with. So Python continues to grow, especially in AI and data science. Its community is active and is backed by numerous resources and ongoing development. Now, Java remains a strong player in enterprise and Android development, but the way I'm seeing it, I'm not sure Java is strong in Android development as compared to Kotlin because of the battle between Google and Sun Microsystems who developed and Oracle because of the battle between Google and Oracle, because Google owns Android, Oracle owns Java. So now Google partner with JetBrains to build a language called Kotlin to come and push Java aside and take over the Android development space. So if you want a video dedicated to explaining how Android development has lost its power to Kotlin, you can comment leave a comment in the comment section telling me to do that video, and I will make the video. That's if you've liked this one. So let's move on to JavaScript. JavaScript dominates web development with a strong and evolving ecosystem. Its future looks promising with new frameworks and tools constantly emerging. Now, C# is evolving with the .NET Core and is gaining traction for cross-platform development. Its support from Microsoft ensures ongoing updates and resources. So let's just summarize everything. So how do you choose the right language for your project. It boils down to understanding your project requirements, considering performance and scalability, evaluating the ecosystem and tools, and assessing your team's expertise. Python, Java, JavaScript, C#, Ruby, and Rust, all those other programming languages, each have their strengths and ideal use cases. So ultimately, the best language is the one that aligns with your project goals and team capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more insights and tips on programming and technologies, and head on to my channel and check any other video. I might have something there which you might need. So go and check all those videos out, and thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.